Okay.
All the concerned departments are supposed to be there. So village visioning development action plans, all 260 villages article like why? Because our plans and policies are not reaching to the last man standing in the queue. Just for inclusive growth of each and every tribal population. This is the concept of Ministry of Tribal Affairs. And in the state, it is the chief secretary. In the district, it is the district commissioner. And in the center, it is looked after by directly by DTI and other Ministry of Tribal Affairs under the cabinet secretary. So multi-departmental convergence includes health, education, livelihood. SRL, this is how we are coming. Livelihood is there. WCD, Women and Child Development. This is how you are coming to the picture. ADC, Tribal Affairs and Rural Development. Rural Development, that is why the videos are coming into being at the same time. This is the core objectives. This is the core objectives of each and every villages as enunciated by Government of India Tribal Affairs Department, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So the fourth objective is drug awareness, de-addiction campaigns, community-driven initiatives for prevention, counseling, and rehabilitation, especially targeting youth, which are very essential. So where health is supposed to be, they can holding along with social welfare department. So I am coming to sort of a concept. Here to reach the last man, each and every village, they are having different places at the same time. আজি আপুনি বৰ্তমানচোত তামোল গছ ৰুই আছে মানুহে হয়নে কিন্তু আপুনি য'ত নিৰিকেণ্ডিঙত তামোল গছ নাপাব তাৰ আপোনাৰ নাচপতি গছ ৰুব পাৰোঁ কনচেপ্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়া's Tribal Affairs Ministry AADI Karmoyogi scheme basically we are going to take up in West Kabi Anglong, and in West Kabi Anglong there are 260 villages. It is being earmarked, and in those villages we are going to have a village plan by October 2025. That is after 1 month from now, and where convergence would be there with all departments, and they are going to come up with a plan village wise against those 260 villages, and after that plan we are going to submit it so that we can reach out with those plans any government scheme to the last man standing in the queue, for that is for inclusive growth.